Let's talk about the trader's journey. The trader's journey is a very, very lonely one. When you're starting out and you've had no mentorship, you're going to stumble for many, many years before you become consistently profitable. And I mean consistently profitable in the sense that you will be making a profit at the end of the year and not making some profit, some loss, some profit, some loss throughout the years and months. Because even if you don't know anything about trading and you just take a trade, I'm sure you can make a profit. You can put in 5 to 10 lakhs and just take a blind shot, either sell something in intraday or buy something, wait for some time and then close the trade. Either you'll make a profit or you are going to make a loss. But you will not be able to fool the market continuously. So without taking mentorship, you are going to basically have more losses than you're going to make profits and you're going to suffer. And even with mentorship, you're going to have to spend time in the market. So trader's journey is a very lonely journey. Nobody will understand what you're doing. What they're going to basically say is that you are a gambler and you're going to lose all the money that you earn in trading. And that's not true if you follow systematic rules and you tread very carefully, not tread very carefully in the market. The market, now trading is no different than investment. If you think that you can make money investing without mentorship and just put in a couple of lakhs and then wait 5 to 10 years, then all the best to you. Investing is as difficult as trading. Nobody really knows. Nobody and nobody's father really knows which stock is going to go up. But over the years, people hone their skills. You've got mutual fund managers, you've got hedge funds, you've got people with a track record. Why? Because they have not only learned the job from somebody, they spend time in the market and they know what works and what doesn't. And even then, they still have probabilities and probabilities alone. So trading is a game of probability. First, you need mentorship, you need training, and then you need spend time in the market. Now, if you're a college graduate and you graduate, you do your BE, right? Or you do your commerce or you do your MCA, and immediately can you ask for 40 or 50 lakh salary? Nobody's going to give it to you. Unless you're a genius from some IIT or IIM, maybe one or two students get that 1 or 2 crore package. The others will linger around 10 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs, what have you, right? And some even lower than that. Depends on your pedigree of your college, right? So, but over a period of time, as they spend time in the market, they gain experience, the market value goes up. Now, trading is nothing but it's just like any other business. You've got to basically learn from somebody, learn what risk management and learn other things, learn how to read charts, blah, 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 position sizing. You have to understand and then take calculated risks and over a period of time study what works, what doesn't, journal your trades, and then over a period of time you slowly start getting consistent. Now, what does getting consistent mean? Consistent means basically that your risk reward ratio is more than 1:1. It means that your win rate is more than 50% if you're in 1:1. If your risk reward is 1:1.5 or 1:2, then your risk reward then your win rate will not even be 50%. You can even be profitable with a 30% win rate, meaning 7 out of 10 trades you lose and 3 out of 10 you win. But then your risk reward ratio has to be 1:3 or whatever. I don't want to get into the math specifics, but if you understand what I'm saying. So these things are very, very difficult. Trading is just like any other thing. You need to learn from a mentor. You need to spend time in the market. And over a period of time, with proper risk management and journaling your trades and systematically improving slowly and steadily, you will realize that your risk reward ratio goes up from 1:1, or 1:1.5 to 1:2, 2.1. It will vary, but it has to be more than 1:1. Otherwise, you're not going to be ever able going to win. And similarly, your win ratio will also grow over a period of time because you realize that last 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 trades I took when RSI was greater than 40, volume was so and so, but I still didn't make money. Now, why didn't you make money? It could be a variety of reasons, right? It could be that there was a resistance above, you didn't see the overall picture. It could be anything. Or you didn't pay attention to the ADX, so on and so forth. But slowly and steadily over the period of time, you have to weed out your mistakes, concentrate and refine your trading skills, and then nobody in the world can stop you from becoming consistent and making money. But it takes time. It may take from couple of years to 5 to 10 years to become consistently profitable. I'm not saying a world-class trader. I'm saying consistently profitable, meaning you will make at least 25 to 30% per annum. If you become consistent, you may make, sometimes in a year, you may make 70%, you may make 60, but it's not going to be there every year. If you are making 25 to 30% or more than that consistently, whether the market is going down, whether the market is going up, or whether the market is sideways, that means you have arrived. Does this mean that you will be able to continue this for a lifetime? Past trades do not predict future outcomes, but yes, if you've learned the way, then you see cricketers, right? They get a bouncer, they manage. They get a yorker, they manage. They get a loose ball, they manage. Similarly, like a trader, if you learn, refine your skills, spend time in the market, nobody on earth can stop you from becoming a consistent trader. Now, if you're really interested in learning formally, then comment live, and I'll send you a link to my paid course, which is very, very reasonable, and you can start your trading journey.